guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here. Today we'll be learning about social media icons. As you can say, today people are connected with this, so I thought why not to just have icons for a decoration. Recently we got the news that TikTok got banned in India. For this, materials that we need are brushes. You can use any type of brushes. I have flat as well as round. Then we can have, I'm using acrylic paints. This is a Camel Artist acrylic paint. Then canvases, pencil, razor. Let's get started with our first canvas. Here I'm using two colors. One is Crimson Lake and Scarlet Lake. These are both shades of red. We'll mix together and we'll spread it on the canvas. Using a flat brush, spread the paint in one direction over the canvas. Try to blend it smoothly and try to do it in one direction. It gives you a proper finish. Let's move on to our second canvas. In this, I'll be using Persian blue and cobalt blue hue. Mixing both the colors, start spreading it on the canvas as we have done it before in the same way from top to bottom and in one direction. If your color seems little dry, just add little water. Moving on to our third canvas. Here I'll be using Persian blue, cobalt blue hue, Crimson Lake, Scarlet Lake, orange, lemon yellow and white. Starting with the lemon yellow, then we'll be using orange and we'll start blending. Using a damp brush, we'll just dry your damp brush, we'll just mix the edges where these both colors are mixing. Try to do this for all the colors whatever we are using. Using a clean damp brush, we'll just clear off the edges. Now mixing crimson with white, we're getting a little hint of pink. Mixing with scarlet and again little darker shade of crimson. In the same crimson, we will use cobalt blue hue, little bit for the shade of purple or violet, we can say. And every time whenever we are mixing some new color, try to blend it with a clean damp brush. Moving on to our fourth canvas. Here I'll be using acrylic paint again in black color. In the same way, we'll be again spreading it evenly from top to bottom and all the edges of the canvas. Now our canvases are completely dry. Let's start with our first canvas. The red canvas I'm using to make a YouTube logo. So I'm using a pencil to make the shape of a triangle in the middle. as you always see in the YouTube logo, or you can use a paper cutout as I'm using. Here I'll be using a sponge, dab it in white acrylic, take out the excess and start dabbing directly on top of this cutout. You will get the shape, and again using a brush you just clean out the edges. Just giving the finishing touches. Now with our second canvas, which is a blue canvas, this one I am using to make the Facebook logo or icon. Again I have used pencils to trace, and now using the white acrylic, just paint on what you have traced using a pencil, the F sign. Moving to our third canvas, now you would have understood what I'm making is an Instagram symbol. So again using a pencil, just trace out the shape, a circle and a square which we found in Instagram symbol, and again using a white acrylic, we'll just fill that shape. Same for the TikTok. Here I have used pencil, but I think it's not visible, so what I have done, I've used a white gel pen to highlight the shade, and after that I'll be using the acrylic paints to paint on top. So again using the white acrylic where I want to put that red and the green, sea green kind of shade. So first I have to put a base which is a white color, so that when I put other colors it should be visible on top. For the sea green color, I am using titanium white, Persian blue and viridian hue green. These are the three acrylic colors mixing, we will get a nice beautiful sea green color. And for the other part, we are using crimson lake and white. Mixing this, we'll get a beautiful hint of pink. You can, if you want a darker shade, you can just increase the color of crimson, and if you want a lighter shade, you can just add a little more of white. If you find this cute, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you find this cute, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.